Nobody is perfect. We all make mistakes. We say wrong things. We do wrong things. We fall. We get up and we learn to grow. We move on. We live. And we thank God for always giving us another chance.
Early be like in London. Hashtag MAKU limlim. Hashtag MALAM. IG hashtag my AMBON.
Every slice, I have surprises on the corner. I can't predict, I can't pretend. Just have to make them yours. Enter directly, open the doors. Dancing like no one is watching, love and laughter. There's no time to stop. Right now, we are alive. Let's take advantage and take that dip. Walking on the street, feeling so free. Every moment is a gift you cannot see. No need to worry about tomorrow's conflicts. Just enjoy the moment, make the most of life. Living, getting lost in the flow. Unexpected to flow. Stand and flow. Getting lost in the flow. Unexpected to party. Give control. Living, getting lost in flow. Unexpected surprise.